Zenzero's typical customer can be from any industry. Really, we become their IT department, so what's important to them is that IT drives their business, data is important to them. Typically, they will have between 20 and 100 users. My name's Will Brooks, I'm the Commercial Director at Zenzero. Most of our contracted customers take a full managed service from Zenzero. Part of that, we insist that if they've got a physical server on site, we back it up to our data centres, and to do that we use StorageCraft Shadow Protect technology. Backup and recovery is really important to Zenzero. Our customers' data is the lifeblood of their business. We can replace a hard drive or a server, we can't replace their data, so to make sure that we've got a copy of that is really important. A couple of years ago, Zenzero were using 2 or 3 different backup technologies to try and meet the needs of our customers. And it didn't really work, it was complicated. We realised that wasn't the way forward, so we did a lot of investigation and we found that StorageCraft Shadow Protect gave us a one solution for all of our customers. We've now been able to standardise on StorageCraft, and it's the only technology we need to use to give a complete solution for all of our customers. There are times when Zenzero really need to call on StorageCraft and the benefits that it gives us. It probably once a month there's one of our customers has call to go to a backup for whatever reason it may be. Recently, one of our customers, Bridge PR, they were recruiting at the time. They had a malicious email come into the system. It said it was a CV. They opened that file and it downloaded the CryptoLocker virus, which started infecting their server.
We received a zip file for our info email address, which is just our generic email pool. It was allegedly a CV. We had a small note from somebody that suggested they were applying for the position. So we opened the zip file and there was nothing there. So initially we didn't think much about it. So we just left it for a short while, and then we noticed that some of our files in the cloud network we were unable to access. Some of them had funny names and were locked. And that's when we started to arouse suspicion a little bit.
And they contacted the Zenzero service desk straight away. Our engineers realised what had happened. It was the CryptoLocker virus. We'd seen it before.
And they immediately told us it sounds like we had transmitted a virus, and it was likely to have come from a suspicious zip file. I know that it spread very quickly. So initially it was one Word document that we weren't able to open. So first thoughts were, well, we might have an issue with Word. And then all of a sudden it spread very, very fast. Then it was 3 Word files, then it was 4, then it was Excel.
All of their users, all of their data was effectively at risk of being lost or encrypted if we hadn't reacted quickly.
And when we came in the next morning, the issue was completely resolved. All the files previously that we were unable to access, we could get into. Everything was where it should have been.
Because we use StorageCraft Shadow Protect on that server that Bridge PR have their desktop hosted on, it was very easy to recover. So Zenzero are really pleased that we found StorageCraft. It enables our business to be very dynamic with backup technologies. It's very easy to install. We know that we can very quickly recover people's or customers' data if we need to, and that's always good to know. So from our point of view, StorageCraft is a really important part of our infrastructure. It's part of our service, and we'd recommend that any IT reseller looking to be a managed service provider would consider StorageCraft as part of their backup plan too.